I'm Dennis Riley. I'm the owner of Zen Windows St. Louis. Zen Windows of St. Louis is proud to have Softlight as a manufacturing partner. Here's a short video demonstrating Softlight's commitment to quality.
Today I want to walk through the Softlight Casement series. The Softlight Casement comes in a single light, a 2-light, a 3-light, 4-light, even a 5-light casement, all in the same frame. The advantage to having these all in the same frame is it increases your viewable glass. The Softlight casement features 4 wood grains: a light oak, a dark oak, cherry, and a Brazilian cherry. The window also has 3 solid colors: soft white, beige, and black. It also has 6 standard exterior colors available, along with the ability to do exterior custom colors. The Softlight casement is fully welded to ensure easy operation every time you open the casement. In addition, the casement is foam filled, which improves energy efficiency, and it also helps reduce outside noise. The casement comes with a multi-point locking system for added security and energy efficiency. You will also notice the beautiful handle design that folds in so you won't hit your blinds. To open the casement, I simply unfold the handle, unlock the casement, and crank it out. You'll also see it goes out a full 90 degrees, which helps in cleaning the window. But more importantly, when the casement opens this far, it does a great job of catching the breeze and flowing it right into your house. You'll also notice all the weather stripping and Q-Line bulb seals around the window. This is important because it helps seal that casement tight when it closes. Finally, the casement has a multitude of options that can be customized and will give you the exact same look, feel, and appearance you're wanting for your home.
Visit us at ZenWindowsSTL.com, and as always, whether it's your first quote, your second quote, or your only quote, choose Zen Windows of St. Louis and our impeccable reputation to serve you.